Okay, so let's talk about a term you're going to be hearing everywhere pretty soon. AI agents. This is the big leap that takes AI from just giving you answers to actually getting things done for you. Let's dive in.
We're all used to AI that can chat with us, right? It can write a poem, summarize a huge article. It's amazing, but it's also passive. It just waits for us to give it a command. So the really interesting question is this: what happens when AI stops waiting and starts acting?
And that question, right there, is exactly where AI agents come into the picture. So first things first, let's break down what an AI agent really is and see how this one little idea of action completely changes the game.
So here's the textbook definition, but let's zero in on the three most important words: perceive, reason, and act. An agent doesn't just process language. It actually senses its digital environment, makes a decision about what to do, and then takes an action, all on its own, to get closer to a specific goal.
But to put it way more simply, just think of it like this. It's a digital worker. You give it a task, maybe something like plan my trip to Tokyo, and it doesn't just spit out a list of ideas. No, it actually starts checking flights, booking hotels, and building you an itinerary, all by itself. It's an actor, not just a suggester. So how on earth does this digital worker, work? Let's break down its core parts, its anatomy, to really see what's going on under the hood.
At its heart, an agent is running in this constant loop. First up is perception. It's gathering info. That could be your original request or fresh data it's pulling from the internet. Second is reasoning. This is where its brain, usually a large language model, analyzes everything and plans the next move. And finally, the most important part, action. It actually does something. It makes an API call, it writes to a file, it sends a message, and then the whole cycle just repeats until the goal is achieved.
Now, this is a really, really important distinction we need to make. You might be thinking, hold on, is an agent just a fancy new name for ChatGPT? The answer is a definite no, and understanding why is absolutely key to seeing where all this tech is headed.
This table breaks it down perfectly. An LLM, like GPT, is just a language model, but an agent is the whole system that uses that language model. Look at autonomy. An LLM is passive, it waits for you, while an agent can act on its own. And check out goal orientation. An LLM just answers one question at a time, but an agent works toward completing a complex multi-step goal. And this is the game changer. It means we're moving from tools that help us find information to partners that help us complete entire projects.
So the crucial point is this: if the large language model is the brain, then the AI agent is the entire car. It's the brain, plus the body to take action, the memory to keep context, and the GPS, setting the final destination or goal. AI agent isn't just a single thing, it's a huge category. Just like how vehicle can mean a car, a truck, or a motorcycle, there are a bunch of different types of agents designed for very specific jobs. And there's a whole family of them. You've got simple reactive agents like a chess AI that just responds to the current board. There are learning agents that get better with experience. And then you get into the really complex ones, like goal-based agents. Think of a self-driving car that's just focused on getting you to your destination safely. Or even multi-agent systems where whole teams of agents collaborate to get something done.
Now, this might all sound a bit futuristic, a bit sci-fi, but the truth is, you're probably interacting with AI agents every single day and you don't even realize it. Let's take a look at where they're already making a huge impact. I mean, think about it. When you ask Siri or Alexa to set a timer, that's a simple agent perceiving your voice, reasoning what set a timer means, and acting by starting the clock app. Those customer support bots that route your ticket, autonomous cars, even the AI assistants helping programmers write code. Yep, these are all agents in action right now.
And that brings us to the most important takeaway from this whole thing. The big shift we're seeing is that AI is graduating. It's moving beyond being a superpowered search engine or a clever conversationalist. It's becoming a tool that can autonomously execute complex, multi-step tasks in the digital, and even the physical world.
So this all leaves us with a fascinating and pretty critical question to think about. As these agents get smarter, more capable, and more autonomous, the real frontier isn't just about technology anymore. It's about trust. What tasks, from the totally mundane to the absolutely critical, are we going to be willing to hand over next? That's something to think about. Thanks for watching.